Tailgate stainless steel speed clips. Allows fast access to truck bed. Polished and engraved. Allows for fast and easy access to the truck bed. 2 clips per kit. Stainless steel quick-release clips allow for fast and easy access to the truck bed. Load tested to 600 pounds. Includes 2 clips per kit. Top reviews from the United States. Makes the pronet awesome. I owned the pronet for 5 years and loved it. I finally had to replace it, and this time I got these too. Jesus. I can't believe I never got these 5 years ago. These should come with the net.